Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have a few things to tell you all about, y'all, and this is my treasure trove giveaway. I do this about once a month, and it just continues, and it's been going on for a few years. Well, y'all, I have decided that I'm ending it for right now, and I might continue it after the holidays. There's just too much going on for me, and I keep forgetting it. So I want to just end it for now. So I have chosen 2 winners, and then we'll pick it up again maybe in January-ish, maybe February. We'll see. We'll see how things go, okay? So my winners, the first name that I chose is ORELLANES2. And when I click on that, it says Carol Orianis. Orianis, I think is how you say that name. So, Carol, please comment below and send me an email or DM me on Instagram with your address so I can get your winnings out to you. And she chose group number 1 from the Treasure Trove giveaway. And then my second winner is Coastal Girl 707, which is Sweet Melissa, and she has a channel, and she chose number 3, which is a mystery. So I'll get both of y'all's gifts together and get them out to you as soon as I hear from you. Melissa, do the same. Comment below and let me know that you've seen this video, and send me your address. And so that ends our Treasure Trove giveaway for now. Like I said, we may pick it up again. So I have some other things to tell you about and to show you real quick. I'll tell you what I'm wearing. I think I don't always remember to do that, y'all, but then y'all ask me. So I have on the Natasha Denona Retro palettes. That's what I have on my eyes today. And whoops, it's a very nice, closure and everything. And that is it. It's beautiful. Beautiful neutrals. I love it. Love it, love it. And it closes very nicely. And then on my lips, I have this Yves Saint Laurent. This is in the color, why is it so small? I can't read it. I don't know if it has a color name. Does it have a color? I'm sure it has a color name, doesn't it? I got this in Allure. We got to choose. There were like 4 to choose from at that time. It's just stunning. Look at Yves Saint Laurent. And then this turns and it's like that. And it's really not a full-blown lipstick, really. It's more of a lip tint, maybe. I'm telling you, why can't I, here's my magnifying glass. I'm looking at the bottom. I don't think it has a name. It has to have a name. It says 62 times 800, or is it 62 times B00? Boo, 161. No color name. I swear they had a color name at one time, and I'm just not seeing it. Anyway, that's what I'm wearing, okay? And I want to tell y'all, if you've been watching the Temu holiday haul collab that I'm doing, y'all, I got these leaves and I showed them to you, and then Katie had them hanging, Katie's Corner of the World, and I was telling you how they're felt and they're nice and thick. Well, and I only got 5, and she got 10 or a dozen. I don't remember now what she got, but she said they're stuck together. So I was like, what? So I was able to peel those apart. So I just thought it was nice thick felts. And I had already strung them, so I'm gonna have to take them apart and restring them. So see how that is? So if you get this, it was like $1.47 or something cheap. And so they're together. So I will restring them and get them hung up back there. It came with a needle, a big plastic needle to thread, and I don't even know what I did with that, y'all. So, but I never saw that these separate. So I will fix that. The cats are loving the string and everything, so I'll get that fixed up and hang it back there. Okay, also, my nails. Y'all, I had the nails on. The set of nails that I got from Impress, it came packaged like this, and really cute spring, summer nails. It's still summer here. It's in the 80s here. And they stayed on for well over a week. So I put them on a Thursday, and the following Friday, I told y'all on my last Friday night gab, they were still on me. And then last Saturday, I worked at the vet clinic, and that's when nails, if I have nails on, they pop off. Well, they didn't pop off. My thumbnail, I had, it just got pulled up right here, but it was still on me. And I could have probably pressed it down and been fine. But then after, let's see, what is today? Today is Wednesday. So they started to just not really chip it, scrape off some of the paint on it. So I thought I'll change them out. So I had this other pair that was similar, but instead of, this is from the old set that they had the little flowers. They're little white tips and they have little flowers. And the new set were these colored tips and these little daisies with strawberries. Whoops. So different colors. There's pink and orange and yellow. And so I mixed them together because I had 20. I used another thumb. So I had 19 left of the others. So I mixed them all together and I made a set. But y'all, these feel longer than the others, but they're not, because I matched them up with this. That's from the last, they're very long. They're very long, and they were sharp. So I did file them a little bit, but they are staying on. Now I've only had them on a day, but they're just really, I like them. And what it says on the Impress, it says improved adhesive. I didn't notice that with the first package, but it says improved adhesive. So let me tell you, this improved adhesive is fabulous. So that's what that is. And when I got my Ipsy, my Boxycharm for September, I didn't realize it at the time when I was opening it up in front of y'all, but I was missing something. I had cashed in points. When you cash in your points on the Ipsy website, if you do your reviews, you get points. If there's any trouble with your order, sometimes they'll give you some points. They've been very stingy on the points here lately as far as that stuff goes. But if you do your reviews, you get points. And I had the Glam Bag and I have Boxycharm, so I, rack up some points. And I had a lot of points and I cashed in, and I guess I must have done that in August. And what they do then is they'll send it with your next bag. So I realized after I got the Boxycharm, a week or so after, I'm like, hey, I didn't get that. But I thought, well, maybe, if it was right on the edge of when they were packing stuff, maybe it'll be in October. Well, so I emailed them, or, you go on the bots and talk to Ipsy that way, and just to see if maybe, it was coming in October. And they said, oh, no, they had forgot to send it to me. So they sent it to me. So this is it. And I spent 1,800 points, y'all, and I got this Cat Berkey product. This is $135 value. This is Cat Berkey, we know, is an excellent, bougie, expensive line. And I have had a couple things from her before. I have never had this. I don't think I've ever had this. I might have had a little sample. Did we have a little sample of this recently in Ipsy Glam Bag? Anyway, it's Reversal Rose Hip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. $135. This is half an ounce, 15 mLs. And it's gorgeous. That green is gorgeous. And let's see, this is what it looks like, a nice pump. So that felt a little, it was a little loose there. I had to tighten it. Oh, I'm glad I saw that before it spilled or anything. So that is beautiful. And I'm using some eye cream right now that I'm almost done with. I'm not sure if I'll use this because I have to see what else I have. You get so many, and eye cream, look at this will last a year. Maybe not quite a year, but this will last a long time. But of course, because it's so bougie, of course I want to try it. So we'll see when I get started on that one. And then I got an email from Ipsy out of the blue, just out of the blue. It was about a month ago now, and it said that they were sending me a product for review, free for review. And I was like, huh? I'm like, okay. I was like, I'll believe it when I see it, because I've never heard anybody say that before, that they've gotten an email like that. Have y'all gotten an email like that? I've never gotten an email like that, and I've been with Ipsy a long time. So they did send me this. They sent me this. I think they even told me in that email, this is what they were sending me. I think they did. So this is Elemis, which is bougie, $69 for this. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've had this many times. We get this in this size as a sample a lot in the box, in the Glam Bag and other. We used to get it in Glossy Box and stuff like that. Let me show it to you. The packaging is very beautiful, you know, very well packaged. And it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And it's this yellow, like waxy color looking. It smells like essential oils, and it is, there's no thing on it, which is funny because I thought there was, and I went to lift off the plastic and I stuck my finger in it. But it smells like essential oils. And what this does is you take a little bit of it and put it in your hands, maybe, you know, it on the warmth of your hands, it gets like an oil, and then you can clean your eye makeup especially very well, very well. So, but we get it often in this deluxe sample size. I got this particular one from Tea Time Adventures, sent this to me in a gift. This one I had never had before. It is the Pro Collagen, but this is the Rose Cleansing Balm. I've only ever had, this is the original, and then this is Rose. And I don't know why I'm thinking that there might be one more scent, but I could be wrong. But it looks the same. It just, instead of that essential oil scent, it has a rose, like, you know, rose scent to it. But this, I've been using this. I just started using this. And so it'll take me a while to use this up. And then I have this giant jar. So thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this to me. Now, when I did the review, I had to do the review on Sephora. They gave me a link, and I did the review on Sephora. And I had to say on Sephora that it was gifted to me. So very interesting. So thank you so much to Ipsy for this nice item. And I think that's it for now, y'all. Please congratulate my winners below. And please, if you are looking for a giveaway that I'm doing, I am in the Temu Holiday Haul with favorites with Laura, reviews with Sue, Katie's Corner of the World, Carol Gardner, Miss Jackie Russell, Tea Time Adventures, Nona's Here, which is Teddy, Haulin' It with Mima, which is Tammy, and me. So there are 9 of us in that collab, and it was a lot of fun to do that collab with these ladies. They're wonderful ladies, and they're all, most of them are really into Temu, so they know a lot about it. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and go check out their channels too if you enjoy Temu. And please congratulate my winners below, and like I said, we'll pick up again after the first of the year with this treasure trove giveaway, because I think y'all enjoy it, but I just keep forgetting about it, and it's aggravating. I should have finalized this on the weekend, and I didn't do it. So y'all take care and count your blessings. It's good to see you. I hope you have a great evening and day, whatever it is, y'all. The weekend's coming. Thank you. The weekend's coming. I do want to say also, and I don't mean to be flip about this at all, but you know, there's a lot. The hurricane that came through, Helene, and then there's more coming, and just other things that are going on. I mean, strikes and all this other, y'all, prayer. So, you know, keep this country in your prayers, and many, many people. Everybody that I know that was in the path is fine. It is okay. They may have some damage to their homes and things like that, but everybody's fine. So it's just a tragic loss of life. And I know that some of y'all may be affected by that. So my prayers are with y'all as well. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.